The debate about the role of technology in hobbies is an age-old one, and car collecting is no exception. From the introduction of radial tires to modern audio systems in vintage cars, there are always two opposing views. On one hand, there are those who prefer to stick with traditional methods and materials, while on the other hand, there are those who see the benefits of embracing new technology to enhance their hobby. When it comes to classic car ownership, technology can play a significant role in making the experience more rewarding. For instance, modern restoration techniques and materials can help to preserve the original integrity of the vehicle, while also improving its performance and safety. Advanced materials such as lightweight alloys and composites can be used to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency, while modern engine management systems can help to optimize performance and reduce emissions. In addition to these practical benefits, technology can also be used to enhance the overall ownership experience. Modern audio systems, for example, can provide a more enjoyable listening experience, while advanced navigation and communication systems can make long road trips more convenient. Furthermore, the use of digital tools and software can help to streamline the restoration process, making it easier to find and purchase rare parts, track progress, and connect with other enthusiasts. Another area where technology can be effectively applied is in the preservation and conservation of classic cars. Advanced imaging techniques, such as 3D scanning, can be used to create detailed digital models of the vehicle, allowing for more accurate restoration and preservation. Additionally, digital archives and online databases can be used to store and share information about classic cars, helping to promote their history and cultural significance. Ultimately, the effective application of technology can help to make classic car ownership more rewarding than ever before. By embracing new technologies and techniques, enthusiasts can enjoy a more convenient, enjoyable, and rewarding experience. Whether it's through improved performance, enhanced safety, or simply a more enjoyable driving experience, technology has the potential to breathe new life into classic cars and the hobby of collecting them. As the hobby of classic car collecting continues to evolve, it's clear that technology will play an increasingly important role. By embracing new technologies and techniques, enthusiasts can help to ensure the long-term preservation and enjoyment of these iconic vehicles.